She bought a really nice red language. Do you know any cheap places to stay in London? I feel lucky. Let's play poker. You look really cool in those jeans. You look really, you look really cool in those jeans. He quite tall for his size. That's a nice sofa. The choice you make is very important. Would you like some orange juice? Would you like some orange juice? Get me a get me a cheese sandwich, would you? Do you have to breathe the roux in your mouth like that? I need 2 kilos of meat. The water was kinda dark green color. Actually, better if the room is is really dark. Have a zoo back in the west. There's an elephant in the garden. I asked Napoleon to Paris. This is the best tomorrow I ever had. Indeed, English is a very just language. Was he there? At first he never came. He now came regularly. I saw him leaving that month. Happiness is only state of mind is often linked with wealth.